We're going to install bath towel hooks on 2 places in the bathroom. The first place is near the shower. And the second place is near the toilet. I'll use tape as a guideline to place the hooks in the right position. No, the camera is not having a seizure. It's just the wrong focus mode. I'm sorry for that. Next, I will mark out the middle of both sides. I'll do the same on the quadruple hook. Next step will be to align the both lines together and double check that the towel hooks are in level with the spirit level. And the first one's done. I'll repeat the same process on the double hook. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.